Hey, my name is Guan Zhang. Today, this video, I'm gonna talk about how URM Academy nailed the mix program helped me from zero to hero in 6 months. And before this, the URM Academy stands for Unstoppable Recording Machine. Before I joined this program, I have self-taught my mixing knowledge for around 4 to 5 years. The progression is really slow. And to be honest, I don't have a system to learn through, so I'm just like blind on the road. I don't have a client as well because my mixing work sucks. One day, the Google ads of the URM Academy showed up my screen, and I'm thinking, will this really change my world? But however, I opted in the link and I joined the course. After I joined this course, I get a world-class, professional, well-organized road track every month from the mix engineer who works for labels, the records. After you got this road track, you can mix as you will and submit it to the official email. Then you will get in a blind voting competition. And what this means, it means everyone in the competition have fair opportunity to be the champion, and depends on your mixing works. Also, there are prizes. At the end of every month, they were holding a live stream, and they will have the world-class mix engineer into the studio. They will start to mixing the same song from scratch in front of the camera. You can watch them mixing a song from scratch. If you have any question, you can put in a chat. You will get a response from the world-class mix engineer. I think it's really so hard to have the opportunity to make this happen in your life, right? So this is the value here. This is the monthly homework. There is another section called the Mix Lab. It's a collection, the library collection of bite-sized videos, around maybe 5 to 10 minutes. The library will go bigger and bigger. After you finish the monthly homework, if you would like to learn the day by days, this is how you can immerse yourself get yourself into an overlearn statement. This is really great. Another section called the portfolio builder. This section I think is so great for the one who want to make a living out of the mixing as a full-time job. There is an interesting question. Before you have your first client, you might have to have a portfolio to show people how your mixing works is, right? So you have to have a portfolio, but you don't have a portfolio because you don't have a client. It's just like a paradox, right? So this section is so great. Why I think it's so great, because before you have your client, you don't have a portfolio, and in this section you can download the road track legally, mix the song and uploading to the internet, make them as your portfolio, and then you can start to run your business. Usually you just have to put some song information, but it's not a huge problem, because the monthly mixing, it means you got the commercials road tracks. Because the policy, you cannot uploading to the internet or anywhere because it's illegal. Because the song is already published by the artist, so you cannot uploading your mixing. Even it's your mixing, you cannot upload it. But in the section of the portfolio builder, you can do this. Alright, so I think it's so great because the value of the URM Academy, they provided you from the world-class education, from the world-class education to the career preparation, they all give you. So I think this is how I learned so fast, and I got huge improvement via URM Academy. So I appreciate for them. And after 6 months, I got my first amazing job from a local band. I'm so excited. I can never forget that in my life. And I start to make my own official page is www.strongtones.com, and I keep after I got more and more client, I uploading my mixing, my client songs, and make a real portfolio on my own. So this is today I have for you. If you would like to learn more about the mixing techniques, musical production, tips and tricks, click the link below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.